demonetized already. So what's up? I'm back. I know it's been about a good week. The fuck? How do I get dirty already? Okay, so whatever. So I'll order some new parts for the Sonoma. Some big ass boxes came that I wasn't expecting. I look fucking stupid. Wait, is that the? It's from last night. So, I ordered up some rocker panels last night, and I was not expecting some big ass boxes. The stuff that I did order did not come in a pair, but I did catch it for the low. These rocker panels costed me $53 plus shipping. I want to put something out there. I did use a Google extension called Honey that applied coupons to the place I bought them, which was Advanced, I think, Auto Parts. I'd say, Honey, if you want to sponsor me, you know, help me with my build. You know, I'm out here. I know I don't get views, but, you know, I do like your service. And, you know, you guys helped me save about $16. The original price was, as I'll probably pop it up on my screen, original price was $77, and I got it for $73 with free shipping. But I thought I'd show you the boxes, even though I can't fucking turn this camera around. These are the boxes I got. They're fucking huge. Like, really. You know, I was surprised. I came up to the door last night, about 11 o'clock at night. I was like, bro, what the fuck are these big ass boxes doing here? Like, looked like I was about to buy a gun or some shit. But, as again, I bought me rocker panels, because mine were completely shot. I don't want to remove this one though, because, yeah. But I can kind of show you guys the other side. So this one opens. This one isn't that bad on top, but I got the quarter panels that I need to replace. Damn, I ain't got no type of light. Fuck. Oh, hey, I got me some light. Okay, but as you can see underneath, you know, it's pretty bad. Maybe it's not a slip-on rocker would have helped, but I just said fuck it. You know, I might as well just replace the whole thing. So yeah, all that shit right there just needs to be cut out. Actually, this is part of the fender, but I want to know what's under this. Let's see. Yeah, so if you can see in there, it is. Oh shit! Never again. So yeah, it has to be cut out and welded. But I'll be making a video on, you know, I don't see too many people that have installed it on I think this is a first gen S-10 or Sonoma. But yeah, that's pretty much what it looks like. So I kind of, you know, last week I started cutting. I did, as again, not the best fucking beads, but you know, it's been doing it, you know. I had to get new wire. My girl did record it on her shit, so I might take it off her phone. But other than that, you know, I said fuck it. I gotta take out. I have to take out whatever this is called. I forgot what this is called, but this pretty much has to come out. What's nice is, most likely I'm going to be grinding along here. See, I guess I have to grind along the inner seam of the door and take it out about right there. So basically all it is, you know, this thing is actually pretty huge. I'll go get my other one. Wrong one. So these are what they look like in person. So I mean, they're pretty big. I don't know why they came in this big ass fucking gun box and shit, but basically it's the whole rocker panel. It comes with the sides and everything, you know. But if you want to know the part number, that's the part number. It is, as you can see, what the specifications are for, you know, what years. This is where I got it from. Oh no, I got it from Advance. Again, honey, if you want to sponsor me, you know, you guys been helping me out with, you know, saving a little bit of dough. So, I'll keep using the extension. But yeah, I'm gonna try to make another one, make another video before the week. I've been back behind school a lot, so I haven't been able to make a lot of videos and shit. But I am getting my financial aid soon, so you know, whatever I try to do, I need to get a place to move to with my girl, and then fix up this S-10, because I want to get this running. Not running, but I want to kind of get this all just up nice, running, you know, looking nice. It's kind of hard, you know, doing everything when you got when you got work and bills and fucking school and shit. So yeah, I thought I'd give you guys an update. So I'll see y'all niggas later.